Your bedroom is supposed to be the place where you can recover from the day, a place where you can relax, recharge, and wake up feeling refreshed. But for many people, it's the exact opposite. You walk into your room and somehow it feels overwhelming. You struggle to relax, your mind really never settles down. And instead of giving you energy, your bedroom slowly drains it. The good news is that this is usually not because of you, but because of your environment. As an interior architecture student myself, I've learned that the spaces we spend time in have a huge influence on how we think and feel. Even small design choices can help a room feel stressful or calming. So in this video, I will show you 4 reasons why your bedroom might be mentally exhausting, and more importantly, how you can fix each one. The biggest and easiest problem to solve is the clutter. Every object in your room competes for your attention. Even when you're not consciously looking at it, your brain is constantly processing everything that is in front of you. The more visual information your brain has to deal with, the harder it becomes to fully relax. That's why a cluttered room often feels mentally exhausting. A simple rule I like to follow is the 80-20 rule. Keep about 80% of your belongings hidden away and only leave around 20% visible. Use drawers, storage boxes, or small cabinets to hide everyday items, and give everything a permanent place. When your room looks organized, it also starts to feel organized. You don't necessarily need fewer belongings, you just need less visual clutter. The second reason your bedroom may feel draining is because there are simply too many colors competing with each other. Color has a psychological effect on how we experience a space. Some colors naturally feel calming, while others are more stimulating. For a bedroom, softer colors usually work best. Light blues are often associated with calmness, greens with nature and restoration, lavender with relaxation, and whites and light grays create a clean and peaceful atmosphere. Earthy browns are another great option because they remind us of natural materials like wood and soil. They often create a feeling of stability and being grounded. The goal, of course, isn't to remove all color, but is to create harmony. A few combinations that work well are white, light blue, and gray. Different shades of beige and brown with soft blue accents also work really well. Or you can go with a simple palette of gray with white and black. When the colors start working together instead of competing, the whole room immediately starts feeling calmer. Lighting has one of the biggest influences on how a room feels. Many people only rely on a single bright ceiling light, but that often creates a harsh atmosphere that doesn't help you relax. Instead, try to light objects and surfaces rather than flooding the entire space with light in your room. This creates depth in your room and makes it feel much calmer. In the evening, choose warm lighting over cool, white lighting. Warm light signals to your brain that it's time to wind down, while cooler light can make your body feel more alert. That is why it's also really useful to have different sources of light for different moments of the day. Warm ambient light is perfect for relaxation, while a brighter desk lamp can be used whenever you're studying or working. And more importantly, during the day, let as much natural sunlight in your room as possible. Natural daylight helps regulate your biological clock and makes the space feel much more alive. Finally, you need to think about the materials that surround you. Different materials create completely different emotional responses. Hard, shiny surfaces often feel colder and less inviting, while soft, natural materials create warmth and comfort. Adding a soft rug next to your bed, thick curtains, comfortable bedding, or wedding furniture can completely change how your room feels. Wood is especially effective because its natural brown tones are often associated with stability and nature, making the room feel more grounded naturally. The goal isn't to fill your bedroom with expensive furniture, it's simply to choose materials that communicate comfort and calm. The conclusion is that your bedroom shouldn't be another source of stress. By reducing clutter, simplifying the colors, improving your lighting, and choosing calmer materials can completely change the atmosphere of your room without spending a fortune. Interior design is not only about making a room look beautiful, it's about creating spaces that help you feel better. If you enjoyed this topic, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topic next I should cover. Thank you for watching.